Welcome. Now we will find the square root of a perfect square. Already you know that 2 2s are 4. So square root of 4 is 2 because 2 2s are 4. We know that 3 3s are 9. Okay. So root 9, this is known as square root. So root 9, square root of 9 is 3 because 3 square is equal to 9. Again, if you see 4 4s are 16. That is square of 16 is 4 is 16. Therefore, root 16 is equal to 4. So this is the perfect square. Now, how to finding the square root of a given number by factors method. For example, find the square root of 144. So how we can find out? So we will do the prime factorization. So 144, you know unit place is 2. So unit place is 4. So it is divisible by 2. So 2 7s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. Again by 2, 2 3s are 6. Remainder will be 12. Means 1 and next number 2. So it will be 12. So 2 6s are 12. Again 2 18s are 36. 2 9s are 18. Then 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. So we got here prime factorization of 144. So therefore we can write 144 is equal to 4. This is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So we have to take they should be in pairs, that we have to see. So first of all we form the pairs of the given numbers and then we have to take one factor from each pair. So therefore we can write root 144 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. That's why I have written square root, means one number we will write. So root 144, it will be 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. And anyhow we know that root of 12, square of 12 is 144. So in this way we can find out the square root of the given number. Now we will solve the practice set 30. So here number is given, find the square root. First number it is given 625. So we will go for prime factorization. So see unit place 5, so it is divisible by 5. So 5 1s are 5, 12, then 5 2s are 10, 5, 10 that is 15, then 25. So 5 5s are 25. Again it is divisible by 5, 5 2s are 10, 25, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So therefore we can write 625 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now we have to pair the numbers and we have to take a single number. So therefore we can write 625 is equal to 5 into 5. Therefore root 625 is equal to 5 5 is a 25. So this is our answer. Next it is given, and one more method of checking this 25 exact square of means 25 625 25. Next number is, this rule is applicable when unit place is 5. How we can find the square? So unit place is 5, so here 2, next 2 is 3. So 2 3s are 6. And this 5 we have to find out 5 square. 5 5s are 25. So yes, 625. This rule is applicable only for unit place when 5 digit is there. Next number we will see. The next number is given 1225. So we will do the prime factorization. 1 2 5. Unit place is 5, so we will do with 5. 5 2s are 10. So 2 2 5 4s are 20. 25 5 5s are 25. Again we will do with 5. Then 5 4s are 20. 45 5 9s are 45. Now see 49, we know 7 7s are 49 and 7 is a prime number. So therefore we can write 1 2 2 5 is equal to 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. Now pairs we got, so we will write only ones. So therefore here we can write square root of this. Therefore we will get 1 5 7s are 35. We can check because unit place is 5. So next of 3 is which number? 4. So 3 4s are 12 and square of 5 is 25. So we got same number. So square root of 1225 is 35. Now next number we will see. Third one, it is given 289. So we will do 289. So see 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 9, 19. So not divisible by 3 or 9. 3 is a prime. So 11, 9 also not. 70 we will see. So 17 ones are 17, remainder is 11. So 17 sevens are 119. So again 17 ones are 17. So therefore we can write 289 is equal to 17 into 17. Therefore root 200 and this is the square, so we will write ones. So here we got, and you can check whether your answer is 7 sevens are 49, 4 carried over, 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 4 11. Okay, then 1 sevens are 7, 1 ones are 1. So we got it. So our answer is correct. In this way you can check also simultaneously. Next number, it is given 4096, that is 4096. We will see. So unit place is 6, so we will go for 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0, 2 4s are 8, 1 6, 2 8s are 16. Next number we will see. Again 2, unit place is 8, so 2 1s are 2, 0s are 0, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. So we got 1024. Again it is divisible by 2, so 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 512 we got. Again unit place is 2, so 2 2s are 4, 1 11, so 2 5s are 10, then 2 6 are 12. Again divisible by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 6, 2 8s are 16. Again it is divisible by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 18. Again divisible by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Then again it is divisible by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Again it is divisible by 2, 2 8s are. Again 2, 2 4s are. Again 2, 2 2s are. Again 2 1s are. So how many 2s? Just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So therefore we can write 4096 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 10, 11, 12. Okay, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we will make the pairs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. Okay, this division we can show like this. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 into 2, 64. Okay, so here we can write 40 root of this because we have taken single digit. Therefore, 4096 is equal to 60. So this is our answer. Now we will solve the next one. Next, it is given 1089. So we will do that. 1089, that is 1089. So 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 9 18. So divisible by 3. Test divisibility of 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 3 3s are 9, then 1 8, 3 6 are 18 and 3 3s are 9. Again 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and 3 1s are 3. Now we know 11 is a prime number and 11 11s are 121. So 11 11s are 11 1s are. So here we have completed this division prime factorization. Therefore we can write, first we will write 1089 is equal to 3 into 3 into 11 into 11. So we got the pairs. So root 1089 can be written as 3 into 11. Therefore root 1089, 3 into 11, 33. And we can check 33 into 33, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 9 18, and we got 1089. So in this way we can find out the square root of the given number. Thank you.